Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. So we have du equals to negative sine x dx. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so we need to put the negative next to du. So this one we change by u. Sine x dx we change by negative du. So this one we can write into 2u to the power of negative 1 over 2, because the square root is about u to the power of 1 over 2, but this is about denominator, so we have the negative sign when u go to numerator. And now we have the final answer. The integration of u to the power of negative 1 over 2, we have u to the power of negative 1 over 2 plus 1 over negative 1 over 2 plus 1. And we put about c. This one we have positive 1 over 2. Similar for this one. About u, that's about cosine x. Negative number 2 with 1 over 2 in here. You have number 4. And we can write into the square root of cosine x. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.